Good morning, children. As we have discussed about exercise 5.3, question number 3 in our previous class, and I have completed 3 question number 1, and you have done question number 3 2 as homework. Today, I am here to solve 3 more questions from question number 3. There are total 10 questions. Already I have solved one and you have done by yourself one. Then again I will give you 3 from them. See, the questions are 3 number, 9 number and 10 number. 3 number, given A 12, 37, D is equal to 3, find N as 12. Means 12 term and the common difference they are given. You need to find out first term A and sum of 12 terms. Okay. See, 3 number solution. Okay. First you write what are the things that they have given. 37, 3, A need to find out, and you have to find out what? Sn. Next, see here, they have given A12, it is not A12. So now we have A12 is equal to what? 37. A12 means A plus 11D, 37. What is the value of A? You need to find out. So what is the value of D? You have what? The value of D is 3. So into 3, 37. Now A 11 3 is 33 is equal to 37. If we transform that on the right hand side, then 37 minus 33, what? 7 minus 3. So you got the value of A. Now what is left? Sn. So all of you know that to find out Sn, you need to find out N, because N they have not given here. N is required. Okay. So to find out the N, Sn means, actually here this is not Sn. See question number 3, actually S12. The mistake I wrote here Sn. So it is S12. S12 means, okay, we have N because they have given. We can find out done. Why? Because S12 sum of 12 terms means N is what? 12. I thought it is Sn. That is why I told before that N need to find out. No, actually they have given S12. So N is 12. So you have N. Therefore, Sn is equal to N by 2. I hope all of you remember this formula. This very, very important formula. N minus 1D. So N is what? It is 12. 12 by 2 twice A is 4. N minus 1, that is 12 minus 1. D is what? 3. All of you know that D is what? 3. Because this is 3, okay, and this is multiply. So understood? Multiply into 3. Now see, I'll write this line again. 12 by 2, 2 into 4, 12 minus 1 into 3. Now it is clear. So this is what? If you cut, you will get 6, 2 4s are 8, then 11, 11 3s are 33. Then 6, 8 plus 33, how much? 42 or 41? 41. Okay. So 6 into 41, how much? 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So the answer is 246 S12, and they need to find out, they have given what need to find out? A and S12. So we got A4 and S12 246. Clear? Next, 9 number. 9 number, they have given the value of A, N and S. A is 3, N how much? 8, and S 192. Find D. Here you need to find out only D. They have given N and they have given S. So you can use this formula. Look, here in this exercise, you already know exercise 5.2 depends on An is equal to A plus N minus 1D, and exercise 5.3 depends on sum of n term. Sn is equal to n by 2 twice A plus N minus 1D. So these are the two formulas. Sn is equal to what? N by 2 twice A plus N minus 1. These are the two formulas. So from these two formula, you have to solve all these problems. I want to say that by using these two formula only, you have to solve all these problems. So only two formula you have to remember. What is the problem? Nothing is there. Only two formula you have to remember. And now you have to see the question and need to use. Okay, see the question and need to use, or you need to choose which formula you will use to get the answer. Here it is clear. They have given S. So we should use the formula of S. Like we have S. S means sum. You are thinking that which is N. N is 8 they have given. And then you can write S8 is equal. Actually it is S190. Actually they have given N8 because sum of 8 terms. This they have given this S. But here sum of 8 terms is 192. So S8 is 192. S8 is N by 2 twice A plus N minus 1 D 192. So N 8 twice A 2 into 3 N 8 8 minus 1 D is missing, no? Okay, 192. How many times? 4. So 4 2 3 is 6 8 minus 1 7 D, then 192. Now if you transfer 4 on the that side, then you will get it will be divide 192 divided by 4. So 4 how many times? If you got 4 4 is 16. Yes, 4 4 is 16. What is left? 16 plus 3 19. No, 32. 4 is 32. Next 7D, this 6. If you transfer on the right hand side, minus 6. Then 7D 48 minus 6 42. Now if you divide by 7, 7 6 is 42. So D is equal to 6. I hope all of you understood. Okay, next question number 10. Given L is equal to 28, L is equal to 28, then S is equal to 144, S is equal to 144, and there are total 9 terms. There are total 9 terms means what? N is 9. Okay, total 9 terms means N is 9. Then what need to find out? Find A. You have to find out the first term. See, here also they are given S and the last term. So you need to use the formula of sum of n terms. So we have Sn is equal to n by 2. This is 9. Okay, n by 2 twice A plus N minus 1 D. Actually here you can use the alternate formula. Like alternate formula means what? I want to say alternate formula means one formula you have, no? A plus N. N is what? Last term, or A plus A. Since last term they have given, so no need to use this formula. But if you have written already, I have written already this formula, no problem. We can continue from here. That N by 2 A plus what? L. How to get? Because if you break this twice, you will get A plus A, and 1A this one, and another A plus N minus 1 is N. N is also written as L. N how much? 9 by 2. A they have not given. L 28. It's okay. Sn. Sn, this is because there are 9 terms and they have given what? S. S means this is sum of what? Sum of 9 terms, because N is N. N is 9. So 144 you can write here. 144. If you multiply 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, then 9A. Okay, you can do like that. No need to multiply 9 with this. First you 2, if you cross multiply 2 when 2 multiply 144 you get 288. Then what is level? A plus 9 they get A plus 28. Okay, what you got? 288 9. So if you transfer 9 on this side, then you will get what? 288 divided by 9 is equal to what? A plus 28. If you divide 288 by 9, then what you will get? 9 3s are how much? 27. What is left? 1. 18. 9 2s are 18. So 32. 32, if you transfer 28 on the 11 side, it will be minus, then a how much? It will be 4. Therefore a is equal to what? 4. So I hope all of you understood. Question number 4. Question number 4, actually it is like question number 3 only, but you have to try to understand the question. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 dot 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 dot, okay, must be taken to give a sum of 636? Here you need to find out like this, how many terms you will add, then you get how much? 636. Means you need to find out number of terms. So here, like question number 3, like this, in question number 3 you are getting direct the values like A, D. Here you're not getting direct values, but you have to find out like that. Here first you write the AP 9, then what? 17, then 25 dot 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 dot. Here A is how much? 9. D is how much? 17 minus 9, how much? 8. Okay, then and they have not given, and they have given what? SN 636. Now you see this one and this are similar or not? This is only word problem, but same. These are same, they are not different sound. So now you need to find out N and SN. Okay, then so how to find out SN? Use like that. Therefore SN is equal to what? N by 2 twice A plus N minus 1 D. Now the value of SN is 636, and we need to find out A is 9, N minus 1, D is how much? 8. Okay, all of you understood? Now simplify it. 636 into 2, when this 2 is transferred on the that side, then it will be multiplied with 636. Then what is left? N 2 9s are 18, and here 8n minus 8 1s are 8. Now 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 6 7, 2 6s are 12. Then here 18 minus 8 how much? 10. 10 into n, 10n, and 8n into n, 8n square. So finally we will get the equation like that: 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation, so you need to factorize it. Okay, then first of all try to make it small or in standard form, like if you divide by 2, 2 5s are 10, sorry, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, then 2 3 6 36 are 1 2 7 2. All of you know how to factorize 4n square 5n minus 636. So if you split the middle term, then you will get, it is not 48, 53, it's 53, okay, minus 48 n minus 636 to 0. Now 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now if we take common here, then n 4n plus 53. Now here also you will get the same common. 4n means 4n plus 53, you will get common, not same common. 4n plus 53, then 12, because 12 4s are 48 and 12 into 53 636 is equal to 0. So overall common 4n plus 53 and uncommon n minus 12. Therefore you are getting the value of n, this is 53, so we will get minus 53 by 4, or n is equal to how much? It is 12. Okay, 12. So this one, negative, it is not possible. Number of terms never be negative, so it is neglected. Understood? So how many terms of the AP you have to add? Then you will get 636. We got how many terms? 12. You can write, therefore the required result is 12. So you can verify yourself. If you add 12 terms, then you will get 636. Understood? Next. So that a1, a2, an, from an AP, where an is defined as follows. See, here they have given the value of n, and you need to prove that a1, a2, an are from in AP. So suppose number one, this one, what is they have given? They have given that 3 plus 4n. So now you have to find out a1, a2. So simply you write here a1, then put the value of n as 1, then 4 into 1, how much? 3, 4 1s are 4, how much? 7. Then a2, 3, 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. Then one more time you can find out a3, 3 plus 4 into 3, 12 plus 3, how much? 15. Do like this you can find out. Or do you find out n, then n equal to 3 plus what? 4n. Now you have to check this one, these are in AP or not. Therefore we got what? So what we got here? 7, 11, 15. If you check t2 minus t1, 11 minus 7, 4, t3 minus t2, 15 minus 11, 4. Means these are in the form of AP. So 7, 11, 15 are in AP. Therefore A1, A2, A3, an are in AP. Now also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. Means you need to find out the sum of 15 terms for this AP. Okay. Now this is the second part. Okay. 7, 11, 15, A is equal to how much? 7. D is equal to 4. And an is equal to what? Okay. What is n? 3 plus 4. Okay. Now Sn is equal to n by 2. Since you have n, so you can use this formula, a plus n. Then n 15, because you need to find out the sum of 15 terms. 15 by 2, a 7, and n is 3 plus 4n. So n you have to put 15. 15 by 2, 7. Then this is extra term. Okay, 3 plus 4n under bracket, right? 4 into 15, 60. 60 plus 3, 63. Then 15 by 2, 7 plus 63, how much? 70. To how many times? 35. So 15 5s are how much? You have to remember the table. Right, first. How much? 75. Yes. 5. Then 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 7, 52. So the answer is 525. All of you understood? First you have to check either they from AP or not. After that you have to find out the sum of 15 terms. Clear? Okay. Question number 11. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? That is what? First term will be what? S1 only, because sum of first term and the first term is same. And what is the sum of first two terms? S2 to find out. What is the second term? Similarly find the third, 10 and the n term. This is little bit different but easy. See, here they have given Sn. How much? 4n minus n square. It's not n, okay, Sn. So they told that what is the first term? First term is S1. So find out S1. S1. S1 means 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 1s are 4. 1 square is 1. How much? 3. And which is the first term? Which is the first term? Okay. Second question is what? What is the sum of first two terms? Means you need to find out S2. S2 is 4 into 2. In the place of n, we put 2 minus 2 square. Put 2 is 8. 8 minus 4, 4. Okay. So next, what is the first two terms? Okay, we got sum of first two terms. What is the second term? You got S2 means sum of first two terms, but you did not get the second term. So I will give you an example. Okay, try to understand the example clearly. See, suppose you are having a AP. This is example 2 4 6. Okay, here see, if you without using formula, if you find out sum of two terms, S2 what? 4 plus 2, how much you will get? 6. And S1 is what? Only 2. If you minus S2 minus S1 means 6 minus 2, how much? 4. And this 4 is what? Second term. Understood? Means S2 minus S1 is second term. Similarly, if you find S3 minus S2, it will be what? Third term. This is actually you can verify for any AP. This is correct for all the APs. Okay. Means if you need the term, then suppose you need fifth term, then you minus S5 minus S4. If you need sixth term, then S6 minus S5. Understood that this example? No need to write this one for this sum. This is for just the example. Okay. Now we will use this one here. Now in this case, what is the second term? That means we will write second term is equal to what? S2 minus S1. What is S2? 4. And what is S1? 3. 4 minus 3 how much? 1. Then second term is 1. Understood? Now next, similarly find the third and 10th. So third term, I think all of you understood. For third term what? You need to find out S3 means third term. S3 minus S2. So S3. So S3 you have to find out. Actually did not find out S3. No, okay, direct you can find out. So here you can use 4 into 3 minus from this format 4n minus n square minus 3 square, and S2 already we have. What is S2? 4. minus 3 square is 9. Then 12 minus 9, 3 minus 4. Then third term is what? Minus 1. Understood? Next, what is the second term? Similarly, when the third and 10th term again. Now 10th term, S10 minus what? S9. S10 is what? This one you have to use that format. 4 into 10 minus 10 square minus S9. 4 into 9 minus 9 square. This is 10. Okay, you are using the same format. Okay, don't forget 4n minus n square. Now here 4 10s are 40, 10 square is 100. 4 10s are sorry, this is not 10. Okay, this is 9. 4 9s are 36 minus 9 square is 81. Then 40 minus, this is 60 minus 36 minus 81, how much? 11 6 5 7 3 4. Then minus 60 minus 55. Sorry, actually 36 minus 81 is minus 45, minus plus 45. So minus 15. So 10 term is minus 15. Understood? Next, n term. Okay, don't forget they have given. So now need to find out n term. So n term equal to what? Sn. Okay, now see, whenever you want to find out 10 term here, S10 minus S9, then 1 less than of 10. Similarly, when you are going to find out n term, so Sn 1 less than of n means what? Sn minus 1. Understood? So Sn already they have given. Understood? Sn 4n minus n square. Since Sn minus 1, so 4n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square. Okay, because in the place of n I have to put n minus 1. Next, 4n minus n square. Then this one 4 into n, 4n, 4 1s are minus 4. And here you have to break it by using a minus b whole square, m minus 1 whole square. A square minus twice ab plus b square. B square is 1. Next, 4n minus n square. What is left? 4n minus 4 minus n square. If you take out the bracket, then plus twice n minus 1. 4n minus n square. 4n, if you take out the bracket, minus 4n minus plus 4 plus n square minus twice n plus 1. Minus n square plus n square cancel, minus 4n. So what I told, 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus 2n. So all of you understood? This is n minus 1. Okay, 5 minus 2n. This is the n term. So you got all the answers. Understood? So it's your homeworks. 3 4 5 6 7 8 5. Then question number 5 6 7 8 and 9. 10 2 number, n is equal to 9 minus 5n. Okay, so I hope all of you understood. Try to complete your homework. In case any problem, you can ask me through WhatsApp. In the next class I will try to finish this chapter, means I will try to finish the exercise 5.3. okay, thank you so much.